Hi, I'm Jim Anderton, Director of Content here at Engineering.com. The recent tragic shooting at an Oregon community college has restarted the perpetual debate about gun control in the U.S. This close to a federal election, the stakes are even higher, with Democrats from the White House down calling for tighter regulation and the Republicans standing firmly behind the Second Amendment. While politicians and the media debate about registration, waiting periods, magazine capacities, and assault weapon bans, the new engineering-driven reality has been completely ignored. The simple fact is, guns are no longer controllable in the US or anywhere else in the industrialized world. And why? Mainly because of two enabling technologies. The first is 3D printing. Stratasys Direct Manufacturing 3D printed a working 1911 style pistol almost 2 years ago, and to date they've fired some 5,000 rounds through it to prove its durability. Range video shows that it's accurate as well as durable. 3D printing guns can also be built from plastic resins, making them even more concealable and difficult to detect than conventional technology. The other enabling technology is multi-axis computer numerical control machining. 5-axis CNC machine tools can carve almost any shape from a block of lead alloy or steel, including firearms. Critical parts for Eugene Stoner's iconic M16 AR-15 assault rifle, for example, are routinely and legally created by individuals using freely available G-code to program the equipment. It's as easy as handing a USB stick to a good machine shop and picking up the parts a few days later. There are tens of thousands of such shops across America, and many, if not most, busy shops wouldn't even know that they were machining receivers, bolts, or sears. And once programmed, it's as easy on a per-part basis, cheaper in fact, to make 100 parts as it is to make one. These two technologies can be used legally to produce fully functional firearms. One of the reasons that I'm describing the 1911 and the AR-15, for example, is that the patents for these designs have expired, so they're in the public domain. Now, it's not hard to imagine that criminals with access to coordinate measuring machines and competent machinists could copy a multitude of more modern weapon designs. Within 5 to 10 years, it's likely that smuggling guns will be pointless. It will be simpler and easier to simply make them. So what does this imply for gun control? In my mind, that it's essentially impossible, any more than it was possible to prevent streaming services from providing music and movies for download. Regardless of where you are on the issue, the cold hard fact is that 3D printing and multi-axis machining is uncontrollable and it's here to stay. So don't be surprised if future crimes are committed with locally made firearms. And similarly, don't be surprised if future hunters and target shooters enjoy highly customized, personalized, and reasonably priced pistols and long guns for sporting purposes. Like all technology, it's not about the machines, it's about the people that use them.